All right, guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Console Onyekwere here, and the question now that is on ground concerning WCoin is very simple, and I'm going to put it straight to you right now. Have you been mining WCoin? If you have been mining WCoin, then I have good news for you, because they have reached an agreement with Trsut Wallet on how they are going to launch their token or their coin. And that is why in this video I'll be showing you how you can connect your WCoin to Trsut Wallet. Okay, you know, there was a time they were like contemplating if they are going to launch under the Solana network or under the Ton network. So it seems they have now reached to a conclusion to launch it under the Ton network using Trsut Wallet, and that's why in this video I'll be showing you all of that. I don't like to deviate, because if I'm to deviate right now, I'll be heading over to X, that's on Twitter, to show you where they talked about the Solana and the Ton, and later on it seems they have already reached an agreement with Ton and all that. So I don't like to make this video so long as that. Okay, so now for you to link your WCoin to Trsut Wallet is very simple. First of all, make sure you update your Trsut Wallet. If you are having an old version of Trsut Wallet, it's never recommended that you take that old one. You know, more coins are being added, more features are being added, all those things are being upgraded. So in order for you not to use an old address and send and lose your funds, it's better you update it. So after updating it, now you just come right over to this tax section. Click on this tax section. If you check now, you are going to notice that the interface is now looking upgraded and better than the former one that we knew. Okay, than the former one that we knew. Now they have added more things, even linking your Trsut Wallet now. It comes with a price tag of 20,000 WCoin. Okay, so if you just click on this place now, you are going to see Trsut Wallet's address. So this is what you are going to do now. You first of all update your Trsut Wallet if you're having it. If you don't have it, go over to your Play Store or App Store and get your Trsut Wallet. Now let me be heading down to my Trsut Wallet. Let me show you the address that you are supposed to copy. Okay guys, so this is my Trsut Wallet now. Now this is the next thing you have to do. You just scroll down. I'm using the dark theme, sha. I don't know if you guys is going to be, but it's still the same thing. Now if you scroll down, you are going to see manage crypto. You click on this manage crypto, and then you see this search bar. You also click on this search bar. I'm trying to just follow everything step by step so that you are going to understand. Then you type TON, tone, and then you wait. You are just going to wait. Okay, wait, this is not the tone that we need. You click on tone. No, this is not the tone that we need. If you see Ton coin, know that it is not it. It is not it. Let me go back and let me see. Seems there's a mistake somewhere, because that is not what we are needing right now. Okay, I've spotted the mistake. This is what you are going to do. If you come over to this place, you click on this search direct. Don't scroll down, just click on this search here, and then you click on TON, tone. Okay, then you see this first result. Now this is the one. You click on it. Immediately you click on it, this is what is going to make you be sure that it is tone. This is it. Check this place that is written tone. You are going to see coin/tone. Then that's when you are going to know that you have arrived. Then the next thing to do is now to click on receive. If you click on receive now, you have seen the address. This is the address. Then you click on copy. Okay, so we are done with this place now on Trust Wallet. You now go back to your W coin on Telegram and then paste that wallet address. After pasting it, you can see right over here, connect wallet. It's just as simple as that. You click on connect wallet, and then we are just going to wait until the wallet is being connected. I don't know, it seems network is kind of disgracing themselves, but I know it's still going to enter. So this is just the process that you need in order to connect your W coin. Remember, just be serious in mining your W coin. And then, all right, so I've just been given my 20,000 points for connecting my wallet. Okay, I've been given my reward. Except from that, there are also other tags. Follow Trust Wallet on X, follow WCoin on X. So on your own time, you can do that. I won't be doing that in the video in order not to deviate. Okay. So I've also told you I'm supposed to be having way bigger amounts right here. But there was a video I told you people why I lost all my coins. Okay, so make sure I'm also going to keep that video on the description section so that everybody will be careful of how they operate on Telegram in order not to mine all these things and end up losing everything that you have mined, in order not to suffer all these things and end up losing. So this is all I just have to say, and I don't want to make this video too long. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't, and see you guys.